What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete a story post on Instagram. Now this works for both pictures and videos. Whatever you post to your story, you will be able to delete it using this simple method in case you posted something on your story that you didn't mean to post or something like that. You could just delete it right away with this method. I will show you how to do it right now, starting off by opening up the Instagram app and then just heading over to the story that you want to delete. So I'm just on my profile right now, and I am just going to go over to my story, as you can see. And then you see the story that I have right here. You can just hold down on it just to show you that it is the story. And what you're going to do is hit the little three dots in the bottom right-hand corner of the story itself. If you're on the account and you view your story, it should pop up for you right there at the bottom. And then from this menu here, all the way at the top, the red highlighted button is delete, and you could delete your story here. It's just going to come up with this message about deleting stories. You could read it if you want and see exactly what happens when you delete your story. But then once you press the delete button, it will be deleted off your story, and nobody of your followers will be able to see it. Unfortunately, if some people ended up seeing it before you were able to delete it, there's nothing you could do about that, but this will delete it and nobody else could see it, although it will still be saved on your Instagram profile for a while if you do want to view it or end up reposting it again in the future. That's pretty much all there is to it, though, for deleting your Instagram story post. If you did have any questions or were confused at all, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.